Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pay Discover credit card bill with cash. Okay, you can actually do this at participating retailers through the Green Dot Network's credit card bill pay service. You just basically bring your card, your cash payment, and a $3.95 fee at the register. Okay, they have this fee, and this is how it works. I'm going to give you a breakdown. You just find a participating retailer. Okay, you can visit the CVS location finder to find a real next to you. So if I come here, I open this up in a new tab for you just to show you, right? And while that is opening up, right, you gather your materials, bring your card, your Discover card. The cash payment needs to be between $20 to $500, and the $3.95 fee. Okay, now here the CVS one is opening up, and you just go to the register, right? You present your materials there, the cashier, and the cashier will collect your cash. They will swipe or just tap your card and give you a receipt. And for confirmation for payment, just allow 1 to 2 business days for the payment to process. Though some cards may post sooner, but otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.